Hi everyone, my group will be talking about the benefits of information technology. Information technology has allowed us to connect more seamlessly and efficiently. Mobile networks and communications has many benefits. In fact, many of us utilize social media to instantaneously communicate with family members and friends across the world. Along with this, businesses greatly benefit from the use of IT and communications, as it allows for the instant transfer of data and information. Also, by utilizing mobile networks, users can continue working on their mobile devices, thereby increasing their efficiency.
Medical technologies. Technology has brought a number of remarkable changes to the health industry throughout the years. It has allowed a number of cures to be created and beneficial changes to be made in treatment and care. Examples include EHR. The introduction of electronic health records in replacing paper records has been a game changer for many allied healthcare professionals. EHR can automatically alert the treating physician to potential issues, such as allergies or intolerances to a certain medicine. EHR can be accessed in any medical facility, which is extremely useful for doctors to access their medical history. According to the study from the University of Michigan, the shift from paper to electronic health records reduces the cost of outpatient care by 3%. Telemedicine. Telemedicine refers to the methods of advancing healthcare based on telecommunication technologies. There are several reasons telehealth is becoming more popular and successful. For example, in rural areas where access to hospitals and other health-related services are lacking, patients can use their computer to meet virtually with a doctor. 3D printing. Today it is possible to reproduce bones and some internal organs using 3D printing technology. These artificial organs and bones can then be introduced into the body of the patient to replace diseased or problematic areas. Just a few weeks ago, Israeli researchers have printed the world's first 3D heart with blood vessels, a major breakthrough in engineering replacements for diseased organs.
No technological advancement has made as great an impact on the film industry as computer-generated imagery. CGI, which came about in 1976, allows filmmakers to create worlds and creatures that couldn't otherwise exist. For an effects team to physically make something that could compare would not only significantly cost more money, but it might also detract from the immersion of the film. Before this, the film industry would have to rely on stop motion, puppetry, or illusions fabricated with the camera lens to even create special effects. CGI has also saved blockbuster production companies millions of dollars when a cast member is not able to continue shooting a film. An example of this is during the making of Fast and Furious 7, when one of the lead actors, Paul Walker, died in a car accident. Production had two options: start from scratch or somehow finish the project without the actor. Director James Wan decided to hire one of the best digital effects studios to graphically insert Walker into the last bit of the movie. The result was an astounding 350 CGI shots of the actor, paired alongside distant shots of his brother to complete his actor's arc in the franchise. CGI has allowed the film industry more creative freedom, the ability to create an immersive environment, and allowing production to save incredible amounts of money.
IT is pushing forward sports, and not many people actually realize this. IT has and is still having a huge effect on sport, allowing for more effective training techniques, allowing for a wider audience, as well as increasing participation of sports, and in turn creating a healthier future for everyone. One of the few amazing advancements of IT within the sporting field is Hawkeye, where 7 cameras are used to analyze the flight and trajectory of an object being used in sports competitions. Use of Hawkeye creates sporting matches that can be error-free, as the ball movement can be easily reviewed and clarified, as well as allowing for athletes to analyze their movements in the field and seeing their errors and learning how to train more effectively. Athletes, when they train, often push themselves to the limit. With the implementation of IT, athletes can reduce the chances of injury or damage to themselves. Technologies such as wearable computers and indigestible thermostats allow to reduce heat stroke, which is the second most common reason for athlete fatalities. These are but a few of the key point technologies that demonstrate the positive effect of IT in the sporting field.
Harnessing the potency of technology, processes within the construction industry have transformed as the use of technology has optimized productivity whilst providing increased safety. Integrated with artificial intelligence, drones are able to track objects, capture their surroundings, navigate through dangerous sites, and map those areas. This has led to a high degree of safety and a reduction in errors as drones capture actionable data in real time, allowing for greater accuracy in planning, resulting in a lower construction timeline and costs. Information technology is a pivotal benefit which has reshaped the construction industry through the provision of lower cost and greater efficiency and safety processes.